Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Let's break down exactly how federal income tax is calculated for your paycheck. It all starts with the Form W-4 you fill out when you start a job. This form is your instruction manual to your employer, telling them how much to withhold. The calculation itself uses a few key pieces of information: your gross pay for that pay period, how often you're paid, and the details from your W-4. First, your employer takes your gross pay for the pay period. Let's say it's $2,000 and you're paid bi-weekly. They need to figure out what your annual income would be, so they annualize it. In this case, they'd multiply $2,000 by 26 pay periods, giving them an estimated annual income of $52,000. Next, they look at your W-4. They adjust this annualized income based on what you entered in Step 4. If you listed other income, they add it. If you listed extra deductions, they subtract them. This gives them an adjusted annual wage. Now, they subtract the standard deduction based on your filing status, like single or married filing jointly. This is a crucial step. If you check the box in Step 2 of the W-4 for having multiple jobs, the calculation uses a smaller standard deduction amount to ensure enough tax is withheld. What's left after subtracting the standard deduction is your estimated annual taxable income. This is the number that the tax brackets are applied to. Your employer uses the official IRS tax bracket tables to figure out the total annual tax liability on that amount. They calculate the tax for each portion of your income that falls into a different bracket. After they have a total annual tax figure, they account for any tax credits you claim for dependents in Step 3 of your W-4. They subtract the total credit amount from the annual tax. This new, lower number is your final estimated annual tax. But you're not paying that all at once. So, they take that final annual tax amount and divide it by the number of pay periods in the year, 26 in our biweekly example. This gives them the base amount of tax to withhold from this specific paycheck. The very last step is to add any extra withholding you requested in Step 4C of your W-4. That final number is what you see deducted for federal taxes. It's a process of annualizing, adjusting, taxing, and then de-annualizing to get to that one number on your pay stub. It's important to remember this is an estimate designed to get you as close as possible to your actual tax liability for the year. Please keep in mind, this is for educational purposes and I am not a tax professional. You should always consult with a qualified professional for advice on your specific financial situation. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this cleared up some of the mystery behind your paycheck. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more content that makes